This video is powered by Conductor OSS, the open-source orchestrator that turns Markdown boards into AI agent workflows. Check it out at conductros.com. What if your AI coding assistant could run tasks while you sleep? Not a cron job you have to set up, not a GitHub action you have to configure. Just one command, and it watches your code base forever. Anthropic just quietly shipped one of the most powerful features in Claude Code yet. It is called /loop, and it turns Claude from a chatbot into an always-on AI daemon that schedules, monitors, and executes on its own. Here is how it works. You type /loop, followed by an interval, followed by any prompt. /loop 5m check if the deployment finished. /loop 30m review the latest PR comments. /loop every 2 hours run our test suite. Claude parses your interval, converts it to a cron expression, and schedules a background task that fires automatically while your session stays open. You can even chain it with other commands. /loop 20m review PR 1234. That runs your custom review skill every 20 minutes on autopilot. One command, infinite automation. Watch this. The developer opens Claude Code version 2.171 running Opus 4.6. They type /loop with a cron expression 09***, which means daily at 9 a.m. The prompt. Check the PRs merged and give me a summary of what changed. Claude instantly recognizes the cron format and schedules the task, but here is the subtle detail. Look at the actual scheduled time. Claude set it to 8:57, not 9:00. Why? It deliberately offsets the timing to avoid what is called the stampede problem, where thousands of jobs fire at exactly the top of the hour. That is production-grade scheduling logic built right into an AI assistant. The job gets a unique ID, auto-expires after 3 days, and can be canceled anytime. Under the hood, Claude Code added 3 new tools. CronCreate schedules a new task with a 5-field cron expression. CronList shows all your active scheduled tasks. CronDelete cancels one by ID. The scheduler itself checks every single second for due tasks and enqueues them at low priority. That means your scheduled prompts fire between your turns, never interrupting you mid-conversation. A session can hold up to 50 scheduled tasks simultaneously. And the jitter system is actually clever. Recurring tasks fire up to 10% late, capped at 15 minutes. One-shot reminders get up to 90 seconds of early jitter. The offset is deterministic, derived from the task ID, so the same task always fires at the same offset. If you need exact timing, just pick a minute that is not 0 or 30. So what can you actually do with this? Monitor a deployment. /loop 5m check if the deploy finished and tell me what happened. Babysit a pull request through review cycles. /loop 30m check PR 4521 for new comments and respond. Watch a long-running CI build. /loop 10m check if the integration tests passed. Run periodic code quality checks. /loop every 2 hours /simplify. But it gets better. You do not even need /loop for one-shot tasks. Just say remind me at 3 p.m. to push the release branch. Or, in 45 minutes, check whether the integration tests passed. Claude pins the fire time and confirms when it will trigger. All times are local to your time zone, not UTC. And tasks auto-expire after 3 days, so you never leave zombie jobs running. This is bigger than a scheduler. This is the moment AI assistants crossed from reactive to proactive. Think about it. GitHub Actions require YAML configuration, a commit, a push, and a pipeline. Traditional cron jobs need SSH access, crontab syntax, and separate scripts. Claude /loop, 1 sentence. Natural language in, scheduled AI execution out. For now, it is session scoped. Tasks die when you close the terminal. But the desktop app already supports persistent scheduling that survives restarts. Once this connects to Claude's web interface or runs headlessly in the cloud, you are looking at an AI teammate that works 24/7 without you even being at your computer. The Anthropic team member who built this, dropped. Speaking of AI agent orchestration, if you want to scale this concept even further, check out Conductor OSS at Conductros. Calm. It is an open-source tool that lets you orchestrate multiple AI agents from simple markdown boards. Describe what you want, and AI builds it. Same philosophy as /loop, but for entire teams of agents. Link in the description. If this blew your mind, smash subscribe and hit the bell. We break down every major AI tool announcement the day it drops. Drop a comment telling me what you would schedule with /loop. See you in the next one.